Everybody step up to Strange Hunter's food truck. The meals are today burritos and MREs. Oh, hello. Hello. What would you like today? I would like some MRE. I want 2, please, one for my son and 1 for me. Sorry, but since this place is very high, we only have 1 MRE, okay?
That's
we get
okay.
a lot of service here.
Alright. Well,
Would you like a free burrito with that?
Oh, bet, sure.
And don't
Thank
forget,
you. Bye-bye.
the meals are only $2.
Yes, $2. $2.99.
This is it for Strange Hunter's food truck commercial. Hope you come on down and eat his fresh burritos and MREs. Goodbye.